Good evening. Are you ready to take control of your destiny? Do you dream of selling your home without a realtor and still achieving top dollar for your property? Now I want you to imagine the pride and the empowerment that can come from being the master of your own journey. Allow me to welcome you to Mastering the Art of Selling Your Home, a step-by-step guide. Now I'm going to be all the way honest. Now this course is more than just a guide. It's a complete transformative journey designed to help you navigate the real estate market with finesse and also with confidence. It's time to unlock your true potential and reshape your future as a savvy and accomplished home seller. At the heart of this empowering course lies a carefully curated arsenal of invaluable insights and also strategies. You will be learning the secrets to pricing your property strategically and also capturing potential buyers with compelling listings. You're going to be able to say goodbye to feeling overwhelmed by the process and hello to a newfound sense of freedom and also pride. But wait, it gets even better. You won't be embarking on this journey alone, my friend. Oh no. What you will have is you will have me, a seasoned real estate expert and your course instructor who will be your trusted mentor, guiding you every single step of the way. On top of that, you will have exclusive access to a very vibrant community of fellow learners just like you to be able to collaborate and exchange ideas, and also we'll celebrate each other's successes together. And what this is going to do, this is going to foster an environment of growth and camaraderie that propels you forward. You may be thinking, why choose Mastering the Art of Selling Your Home? Let me break this thing all the way down for you. The first thing is you're going to get a comprehensive learning environment. Now, we're going to be diving into 9 meticulously crafted modules that cover every essential aspect of the home selling process, from internal repairs to add massive value to your property, even down to mastering the art of negotiation. With this course here, no stone is left unturned. The second thing is you're going to be getting wisdom from a seasoned professional. Benefit from the expertise of me, Tony Reed, who is going to be sharing invaluable wisdom, practical tips, and also first-hand experiences that's going to allow you to gain a very competitive edge in the market with my expert guidance. The third thing is it's going to be a very immersive learning environment. We're going to be saying goodbye to them old boring lessons. We're going to throw those out the window. Our engaging and visually stunning graphics will also make your learning experience very enjoyable and also effective. Number 4, time-sensitive bonuses. Now, I do highly advise you to act now and save big while gaining access to these exclusive bonuses will definitely help enrich your experience beyond imagination. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to be extending this amazing offer all the way up until midnight of August the 26th, 2023. And the reason is because I want to help as many homeowners like you that I possibly can get more money for their home. I want you to get absolute top dollar for your home. There's no need of just giving your house away. When I was about 18 and 19, I sold a piece of commercial property without a license or without a real estate agent to one of the richest families on the planet, and that's going to be the Winfrey family. Next, I wind up selling one of my own personal residential properties myself without a real estate agent, and I wind up selling that particular property to an investment company who kind of tried to lowball me. That's where personal experience comes in. If you're trying to sell your home to an investor, because you never know who you're going to be selling your home to. You might sell it to a broker, a private individual, or you might sell it to an investor. And when an investor wants to purchase your home from you, they're looking for very specific things on a home, and if your home doesn't fit that particular cut, they're going to just give you $15,000 to $20,000 less than your asking price. This is your home. You worked really hard to get to this certain point. Take my personal experience and learn from me, so that way it accelerates you a lot faster in your home selling process. If you take me up on the early bird enrollment offer, here's what you're going to be getting. First, you're going to be getting a one-on-one conversation with me. You're not going to be talking to my team. You're going to be talking to me, and what we're going to be talking about, we're going to be addressing your individual needs and your goals. This service here is a $150 value. Next up, we're going to be transforming your listing into a captivating masterpiece that stands out on the market. What this means is when the average person puts their own home on the market, typically they don't do a really good job in describing their listing. And this is is where so many for sale by owners leave so much money on the table. This is where me and my team come in. We can help make sure that your listing gets the best possible exposure. Now this service here is a $59 value. Next up, you're going to be getting the Realtor's Comprehensive Seller Checklist. This is a 22-page document that's designed to propel you forward in your home selling journey. And this is a $19.99 value. You'll also be getting the Real Estate Accelerator Toolkit. Now this puppy here is a 20-page document that's designed to prepare you forward in your home selling journey. And this one here is also a $19.99 value. Next up, you're going to be getting my new book, Turn Any Customer Into a Superfan, in the ebook version. And this is a $7.99 value. Then you're also going to be getting that same book in audiobook format. And this is a $6.95 value. You're going to be getting full lifetime access to the course. It's on demand whenever you want it. And the course adapts to any device you have. Tablet, TV, cell phone, computer, however you want it, it adapts to you. Now, with everything I called out, the telephone call, the writing service, the book, the audiobook, the templates, all of that amazing stuff right there came to a total of $263 that you'll be getting for only $24.97. The time to act is right now. Don't wait. Please don't let this opportunity pass you by. See, the most important thing is spend $24.97 and you're going to be saving at least $5,000. Here's the reason why I say that. That $5,000, that would actually be the average commission paid to an agent. And I'm going to be all the way honest with you here. That's if you were selling your home at a super low price point, almost like an entry level price point of $160,000. You sell your house for $160, your agent is getting paid $5. I live here in Tennessee. The median home price, that means like the middle home price, is going to be $304,000. That means you're going to be paying your realtor right around $16,000 in realtor fees. By going with this course, you're going to be saving over $15,000. Just for emphasis purposes, this is the amount that I'm asking for the course right here. This right here is what you're going to be spending a real estate agent. And see, you could take that same $15,000. You can invest that in NFTs, crypto, your kids' college fund, or you might want to put it underneath the mattress or even in the bank. But the thing is, look at the particular amount that you'll be saving in comparison to what you're spending. I'm only asking you to spend the equivalent of 2 cups of coffee a day. 2 cups of coffee a day for this course. At some of these particular coffee places, like the place that my wife and my mother-in-law shop at, that's just 1 cup of coffee. Now, this 2-cup coffee price deal right here is only going to be good up until August 26, 2023 at midnight. If you want to accelerate your home selling potential, then I would advise you to sign up for Mastering the Art of Selling Your Home, a step-by-step guide today. Let this course be your guiding beacon of light on this extraordinary journey. I'm going to leave you with this. Life is all about choices. Which one would you choose to spend? Would you choose to spend $15,000 or $24.97? Thank you so much for your time. I'm looking forward to seeing you on the inside.